Hi, I'm Sally with a Homespun Hobby, and today I wanted to show you my sunflower diamond painting. I love this so much. There is a teenage customer of mine who is working on this right now. I grew up with her dad, and so a couple of times I said, "How's she doing?" She loves it. She loves this new art. So I can't wait to see what she does. This, my sunflowers. What do you think? I love this so much. This is 40 by 60, 40 colors. Can you see? I can't see. I need my cheaters. Oh, I just admitted that on YouTube. Oh my gosh. All right. So anyway, 40 colors and 2 AB. Show you the drills. I'm not going to open these up because I will never get these back as nice as the people in the factory get these in here. So there's greens, browns, oranges, a little bit of red, and a blue. I forget where that blue was. I put that already. I think the blue is in the black. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to bend this down a little bit. Maybe not so much glare. The window's open. My door just moved. Okay. And yes, it's just the breeze blowing through. I've got my windows open. Okay, so here's one of the AB drills. This orange. And then also the green. Oh, it's packed in there pretty good. Well, this green right here is the AB right here. I tell the designers whatever, or I tell the factory whatever the designers think is best because they know best. And it's easy for them because they have to go in there and like individually choose where to put these. So sometimes they just, make it change the drill color, and other times they have to go in there and actually place the individual drill because it's not going to be the entire color. So if it's a purple, like it's not everything that's color is not going to be AB. There's just going to be certain ones. So this comes with your regular toolkit. And it has a few extra bags, a squishy, tweezers. I like these tweezers because I like the bent corner. A white drill pen, and there is a transparent multi-placer in here. There it is. And there's also wax, of course. I like the pink wax. I don't have a problem with it. I guess the quality, the fact that my factory uses is pretty good. Okay, so I have 4 of these in stock. I'm still pretty small. And I have 4 in Massachusetts in round. I don't have any in square yet. I haven't ordered those. Or did I? Did I? The hydrangeas are coming in square. I don't know about the sunflowers. I don't think so yet. All right. If you like sunflowers as much as I do and hydrangeas as much as I do, I hope you love these paintings too. So, all right. I can't think. It is finally spring. Birds out. So nice. I'm enjoying this weather. So my neighbor, actually, I live on the 2nd floor of a 2-family, and my neighbor has a sunflower garden, and they grow taller than she does. And I love the fact that I can look out my bedroom window onto this, I don't know, 100 or so sunflowers, because her whole garden is sunflowers, but I get to see them because they're facing the sun. And so they're looking up at my window, and she, I don't think she sees them. So anyway, I get to enjoy the fruits of her labor. Thank you for watching. Oh, I wanted to tell you, if you are still with me, thank you. Um, if you are curious about other paintings, you can find Chris Kolasa, Kolasa. Look for his YouTube channel. He did an unboxing of From Paris with Love, and he did a couple of whipping chats. So that's work in progress, and he's just chatting away while he's working on that. And he also has done a post review. And so go look up Chris and check him out. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can find out about more paintings as they come in. And if you hit the subscribe button, then you won't miss any videos. All right, thanks. Have a great day.